Today, we're at Spring Mill Park in Mitchell, Indiana, and we're going in search of a cave. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith, and we're going to find the Donaldson Cave, and then we're also going to find the Wilson Monument, and then we're going to be looking for other caves too.
The first trail that we walked on was a very relaxing shaded trail that ran alongside the Babbling Creek. It was so peaceful, and the closer we got to the cave, the cooler the temperature was on this hot and humid day. You see the wooden structure at the right of the screen where water flows through and powers the grist mill. This is Hammer Cave, where the water comes from. The next trail that we walked was to the Donaldson Cave. This was a 2-mile trail and was pretty rugged. We were drenched with sweat by the time we arrived. Along this trail, you find the Wilson Monument. It was put there by Donaldson because he admired the work that Wilson had done. This was absolutely beautiful and well worth the 2-mile hike to get there. And there is Donaldson Cave. I'm kind of dizzy standing on this rock. Let's hope I don't fall. Wow. My hair is a hot mess. We were drenched in sweat from the 2-mile walk, and my hair frizzes up when I get hot. There's people up there. I don't know how they got there.
Okay, kind of put
How'd they get up there?
I guess that's the trail. This was so beautiful. What you see flying around in the cave is bats. Bats everywhere, flying all over, scaring everyone. Spring Mill State Park has a total of 5 caves. We hiked to 2 of them.
It also has 9 marked hiking trails. Join us next time as we explore the Pioneer Village. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us on our hike to the 2 caves in Spring Mill Park. They're so beautiful. We are a sweaty mess.
It's well worth you coming out and doing this trail to see this beautiful cave. How awesome is that? Thank you so much for watching. If you would, please go ahead and press that subscribe button right down there. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and share this video with your friends.
We'll see you next time on Retired and Loving.